This video is my attempt to provide the narration for the content in my infograph on the hot spots of technology in my workspace or my workplace. I chose, I think, 7 different things that are technology based that make my job a little easier. And I'm not 100% sure that I'm doing this assignment correctly. But I uploaded a infograph of these 7 things, and I'm going to touch on each one very briefly. But one of the things that is beneficial to me as a student success advisor is the Power Campus desktop feature, which essentially allows for me to have the same desktop shared drive, M drive, that I have at my office. So it makes working from home or working abroad so much easier because I don't have to keep up with a zip drive or, have to bring a bunch of files home. I can access pretty much all that I need to on my laptop or my iPad for that matter. Another thing that is beneficial on a technology side is my email accessibility. I'm able to access it on my laptop, my iPhone, my iPad, and it's pretty much the same as when I'm in my office. And I also have attachment or files that I can attach where I have access to different drives that I use at work. So just the user friendliness of being able to have the same access and the same features with my email is awesome. In my office, we have dual monitors, which helps me because I'm able to have one thing up and I'm able to work on the other monitor. It's the first place I've ever worked where I've had that as an option, as opposed to minimizing and then bringing something back up, minimizing, bringing something back up. It just makes it so much easier and probably faster for me to get a lot of my work done. Printer accessibility anywhere with my employee ID. It helps when I'm all across campus or different areas where I need to print something. I can simply just basically send what I need to be printed to any printer on campus. If I happen to be somewhere that's out of pocket or out of my office, I'm able to get access to it. I can scan, email things from the printers. They're all pretty much the same, so they all work the same. So that feature is very helpful. Sometimes I have advising appointments, and I'm on one side of the building, and I can essentially walk into the workroom. They're close to that office, and still print the same thing instead of having to walk all the way to my office. The Wi-Fi network on campus is extremely reliable, which is a must because, again, everywhere from the cafeteria to the library or wherever I might be, and sometimes I'm still in a minute to maybe I even access assignments or things in this course. Without that Wi-Fi being as reliable as it is, it would hinder me. So that's another feature that that is very helpful. It's almost required. And then last but not least is the CII and their support abroad as well as on campus. Their willingness to help, when programs are down or you're having issue logging in all hours of the night, they're always very good to do that. They also help in the arena I'm sure that the professor is very aware of, in that when you want to make tweaks or changes to the classes that you're teaching, or even construct a class or write a class, without CII, it's impossible. So those are the let's see, 2, 4, 6. I think I said 7, but I think I have 6 here. Let's see, 2, 4, 6 different things that I would say are hot topic technology items that make my job easier. So I'm going to attempt to upload this video and hope it will suffice for my narration. And then I've already uploaded my infograph. So thank you.